Here's a pair of the JBL 720 BT Bluetooth headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Hisense smart TV via Bluetooth. And this is the Hisense TV that has Google TV. So the first thing we're going to do is put the JBL headphones into pairing mode, okay? So these are currently off. If you look at the right hand side, you can see the volume up, down, and the power button here. So I'm going to put these in pairing mode. I'll know it's in pairing mode when it's blinking blue, 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 blue. Okay, so these are currently off. I'm going to press and hold that power button until I see a blue blinking light here. Okay, so power button here. Ready, set, press and hold. Power on. It says pairing, and there's the blue, 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 blue. So it's in pairing mode. Now we got to hurry up and go right to the TV. You have to go to the settings. That you can navigate to the gear icon on the TV. Just press on the home button and go to the screen here, and then you want to navigate to the top right to the settings. So let me move over all the way over. Make sure that the all settings is highlighted. Okay on the remote. Click on OK. And then from here we're going to go down to remotes and accessories. So remotes and accessories right there. Click on OK on the remote. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on, and then we're going to go down to pair accessory. Click on OK. And these are still in pairing mode. Oh, I didn't pair accessory. Now searching for devices in pairing mode, and these are still in pairing mode. It's still blinking the blue, 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 and it showed up right there, the JBL Tune 720. Make sure it's highlighted. Click on OK on the remote. It says pairing up there. And we should get a pairing request. Bluetooth pairing request. Make sure pair is highlighted. Click on OK on the remote. It says connecting. It just said connected here, and it says connected down there as well. And you can see at the JBL 720 BT, you can see we're connected. It says connected. So we're ready to go. Now, if you had an issue where you couldn't pair or connect it or any other issues, you can always reset these. If you need to do that, look in the link below in the description.